What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Raw Food Writer Health Channel. The health channel on YouTube where you don't have to like raw food, but you do have to care about health. Today I'm going to be changing out my filters on my Berkey water, drinking water filtration system. You can see I've got the plain black one here that filters out a lot of your basic particles and contaminants and whatnot, bacterias and the like. And this is a special additional one. It's optional, but it filters out fluoride. So if you're on city water like me, I highly recommend that you get the fluoride filters. Now these are difficult to find right now with the shipping crisis going on. I've actually been trying to order another set for about 6 months, to be honest with you, and it's been to no avail so far. So I'm hoping they get it back in. Looks like they come from the great state of Texas, so hopefully they'll come through. They're probably just waiting on materials. Anyway, luckily I have a backup, so I'm just going to show you real quick what you have to do as far as like getting these set up and primed before you can actually go ahead and put them in your Berkey water filter. So basically you take your regular one, and I've already done this, but I'm just going to show you real quick. You'll notice the one side has a stem on it. It's obviously hollow. That goes down into the filter element here, and there's nothing on the bottom. See, it's all closed, but this is porous. I think it's like a charcoal, and you know, I'm sure there's like some silver and other elements in it, but it's all porous. You'll see the water come out. So I'm going to start that. And what this does, I guess it gets rid of a lot of the dust and like excess particles from the manufacturing process, making sure that you have a clean filter element to use. So you want to use cold water, and you don't want it on full blast, just a nice steady stream like that. I would say low, but make sure it's cold. And you're just going to, you put this on here, and you just want to press up. Now when you press up on this, it's a good idea to also maybe use your thumb, if you can see that, and press down. See that? Yeah, and press down on your spigot. That way you're not going to use too much force and cause damage to this down here. Just something to keep in mind. So I usually put my fingers around like this area and my thumbs up here, and I'll just press, make that good seal. And if you look at the filter element, you can see the water coming out from it. See how it's porous like that? It wants you to hold it for 5 seconds, and then you can let go. And then you actually rinse the outside. Don't forget to rinse it off on the outside. It's just making sure you get rid of all the particles that got pushed out. So there you go. Like I said, I already done this one. So when you do it, you will see the particles come out. It's like a white dust, if you will. So that one's good. Alright, now I'm going to do these fluoride filters, which I have not done yet. So these are a little bit more time consuming. First, you rinse off the outside with soap and water according to the instructions. Again, these come with instructions. I'm just showing you guys step by step, a visual. Some people are visual learners. After you wash off the outside, remove these blue end caps, I guess you call them. They're kind of hard to remove. You can probably get them with your fingers. If not, you might need to use a tool. And then, so you're going to be doing this to both sides on your fluoride filters. See how each one has a hole there? So you're going to flip, you're going to do one, hold it for about, how long did it say? Hold on one second. Come on. 20 seconds, sorry. You'll hold this for about 20 seconds, each side. So I'm going to do the same thing, still on cool water. Just line that up. Press down. 1, 2, and if you watch the bottom, you'll see it come out. See how it's like milky? It's getting all the excess residue out. It's probably about 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh. Yeah, and it'll be highly pressurized when you let go. So then you just flip it, do the same to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Cool. Alright, once you do that, you'll note that the water runs clear. And you're going to, like we did, we flipped it. And this is called purging. And you're going to repeat that purging process for every element that you have, obviously. And then, yeah, you'll be good to go. So again, that's what you call purging your filters. So, and you might do it more than once if you feel unsure or something. You can do it more than once. You're not going to hurt it. So yeah, that's about it, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you guys are staying well, staying healthy if possible. Don't watch the news. Try and get outside. Just simple stuff, you guys. Vitamin D. I got this from Whole Foods. It's 2,000 I use. Some people take more. I find that is a pretty good level for me. Also, I've been taking this stuff every now and again, blue algae. Comes from Klamath Lake. So some people say it's polluted. I don't know. I've done a little bit of research on it, and there seem to be, yeah, like some accounts that they do say it's like not safe to take this because of pollution or something. It's kind of weird. But then other research that I found says it was perfectly fine. So I know that sounds kind of weird, but do your own research. I wouldn't be taking it if I concluded that it was unsafe. So this is blue-green algae pills, which are supposed to be really good for your brain. And maybe it's just my imagination, but I do notice, like, whenever I take this, I think my mind is a little bit sharper. So take that for what you will. Not medical advice. Do your own DD for sure. But definitely, this is definitely good stuff though. Vitamin D, that never hurts. Not medical advice. Yeah, just got some chickpeas soaking here. Just dumped out the water, rinsed them. I'm gonna make some hummus later on. So, yeah, that's about it. You guys, thanks for stopping in. And feel free to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.